Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Miss Hope all of you always be okay. And I will meet again with Miss Sri today. Today we will continue on our English lesson by this video. By this video, Miss will given you material. Okay, this material Miss taken from your student book, page 37 until 40. Okay, today is Monday, 5th of October 2020. Alright, let's we continue our material. Okay, here this material is taken from your student book, page 37. Look at your book. Listen and write the words. Oke, di sini kita akan mendengarkan audio. Nah, setelah mendengarkan audio, kita akan menjawab beberapa some of question. Oke, beberapa pertanyaannya. Kita akan menuliskan ya. Nanti we listen first the audio and then we answer the question. Alright, let's we listen the audio now.
Student's Book, page 37. 1. Listen and write the words.
1.
The cafe is between the school and the movie theater.
2.
The car is in front of the cafe.
3.
The hospital is next to the train station.
4.
The tree is behind the movie theater.
'Alright, let's we listen again.
Student's Book, page 37. 1. Listen and write the words.
1.
The cafe is between the school and the movie theater.
2.
The car is in front of the cafe.
3.
The hospital is next to the train station.
4.
The tree is behind the movie theater.
Alright, Miss repeats once again.
Student's Book, page 37. 1. Listen and write the words.
1.
The cafe is between the school and the movie theater.
2.
The car is in front of the cafe.
3.
The hospital is next to the train station.
4.
The tree is behind the movie theater.
Alright, we have done listen the audio, so let's we answer the question. Okay, and then let's we discuss about your answer. Number 1, the cafe is between the school and the movie theater. Alright, good. And then number 2, the car is in front of the cafe. Alright, good. And then number 3, the hospital is next to the train station. Alright. And then number 4, the tree is behind the movie theater. Alright. Oke. Ya, jika yang belum benar boleh diperbaiki seperti Miss ya. Nah, jangan lupa ditulis di buku student book kalian itu dikerjakan. Jadi tidak lupa. Alright. Oke. Alright, this slide, Miss will explain to you about grammar focus. Preposition atau kata depan. Nah, di sini Miss akan menjelaskan tentang preposition, kata depan. Preposition adalah kata yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan hubungan antara kata benda atau nouns atau antara kata benda, nouns atau kata ganti pronouns dan kata-kata lain dalam suatu kalimat. Nah, di antaranya yang di sini kita akan mempelajari about preposition-nya tentang between, behind, next to, and in front of. Nah, di sini kata preposition yang akan kita pelajari there are 4, ada 4 ya. Yang pertama, the first, between, the second, behind, the third, next to, and the fourth, in front of. Nah, between di antara, behind di belakang, next to dekat, in front of di depan. Nah, ini juga please write on your notebook. Salin di buku tulisnya ya. Grammar focus disalin di buku tulisnya. Oke? Oke, example di sini ada contoh ya. Ini Miss ambil dari buku student book kalian halaman 37. Nah, example, the movie theater is between the toy store, Green Street. Nah, movie theaternya di antara toy store dan Green Street ya. Nah, yang kedua, berarti ini prepositionnya adalah between. Alright. And then the hospital is behind the playground. Berarti di sini prepositionnya ada behind. Nah, inilah yang dinamakan kata depan atau kata penghubungnya. Oke. Nah, di sini ya kata penghubungnya. Nih. Oke. Nah, kata penghubung atau kata depan antara satu kalimat dengan kalimat lain. Sini kan ada kalimatnya the hospital. Nah, dihubungkan oleh si behind ini dan si between. Oke, sampai di sini paham? Paham, alright? Let's we continue the next slide. Nah, di sini ada gambar yang Miss jelaskan. Yang seperti between itu posisinya seperti apa? Next to itu posisinya sebagaimana? In front of itu posisinya seperti apa? Dan behind itu posisinya seperti apa? Nih, di sini sudah Miss perjelaskan ya dengan gambar. Nah, next to tadi apa artinya? Next to itu dekat. Atau juga bisa sering dikatakan sama beside. Nah, sama ya. Artinya dia posisinya berada di sampingnya, berdekatan. Nah, itu yang dinamakan next to. Seperti ini kalimatnya, the apple is next to the box. Berarti apelnya di dekat box. Dia bersampingan, berdekatan. Paham ya? Posisi next to itu seperti apa? Oke. Lanjut. Oke, in front of. Nah, in front of ini di depan. Berarti sudah pasti bendanya ada di depan. Like these pictures. The apple is in front of the box. Nah, apelnya ada di depan box. Oke, posisinya seperti ini. Ini yang dinamakan in front of. Alright. Paham? Oke, lanjut ke picture number 3. Behind. Behind ini di belakang. Berarti posisi apple-nya harus di belakang. Seperti ini ya. Nah, kalimatnya the apple is behind the box. Nah, kalau di antara berarti di samping kiri dan samping kanannya itu ada benda. Dia ada di tengah-tengahnya posisinya. Nah, seperti ini si apple-nya ada di tengah-tengah, di sampingnya ada box, di sampingnya lagi ada box. Jadi kalimatnya di apple is between the box. Nah, paham ya dengan posisinya seperti apa? Next to yang bagaimana in front of, behind, dan between. Kalau next to posisi bendanya berdekatan atau berdampingan. Sedangkan in front of bendanya ada di depan. Kalau behind bendanya ada di belakang. Sedangkan di antara sisi kiri dan sisi kanannya itu ada benda. Posisinya ada di tengah-tengah. Oke. Oke. Alright, let's continue the next slide. This line is taken from your student book, page 38. Is it about the story? The title is The Tree on the Track. Artinya apa sih, Miss? The tree itu pohon. Track ini rel atau jalur. Jalurnya kereta atau rel kereta. Oke? Paham ya? Oke. Like usually, if we have a story, we must read. Okay. So Miss will read first, and then after that we will read together. Alright, let's read it. Look, the train is Look, I'm sorry, Miss, repeat again. Look, the train is leaving the station, but there is a tree on the track. Run, Flash, run and stop the train. Okay. Okay, Miss, repeat again. Look, the train is leaving the station, but there is a tree on the track. Run, Flash, run and stop the train. Okay. Now, let's read it together. Repeat after Miss. Look, the train is leaving the station. Alright, we repeat again. Look, the train is leaving the station. Alright, good. But there is a tree on the track. But there is a tree on the track. Alright, good. Next, run, Flash. Run, Flash. Run and stop the train. Alright. Okay. Oke. Nah, di sini Miss sudah ada tuliskan artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lihat, itu kereta itu telah meninggalkan stasiun, tapi ada pohon di rel atau di jalur keretanya, ada pohon tumbang ya di jalannya itu, di jalurnya. Jadi mereka bilang, lari Flash, si Flash ini ada kekuatan apa? Kekuatan larinya cepat ya. Nah, lari dan berhentikan kereta itu. Oke, kata si Flash ya. Oke, let's continue the next slide. Alright. Okay, let's read it again. Miss read first. After that, we will read together. Stop! Stop the train! Wow, she's fast. It's no good. Let's try something else. Okay, Miss repeats once again. Stop! Stop the train! Wow, she's fast. It's no good. Let's try something else. Right. Okay, now let's read it together. Stop! Stop the train. Alright. Stop! Stop the train. Alright, good. Wow, she is fast. Wow, she is fast. Alright. It's no good. It's no good. Alright. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Alright. Good job. Let's continue the next slide. Okay, number 5. Okay, Miss read first. She's next to my train again. What does she want? Stop! Okay, Miss repeats again. She's next to my train again. What does she want? Stop! Si flashnya tulis stop di sini ya. Okay, let's read it together. She's next to my train again. My train again. Right? What does she want? What does she want? Alright. Stop. Stop. Alright. Si flashnya lari ke dekat kereta lagi. Ya. Nah, si flashnya menuliskan kata stop ya di jalanan itu. Alright. Okay, let's continue the next slide. Stop! Thanks, kids. No problem. Nah, let's read it again. Stop! Thanks, kid. No problem. Nah, dia bilang berhenti. Nah, di sini ada pohon yang tumbangnya. Terus kata bapak-bapaknya, terima kasih anak-anak. No problem, sama-sama. Ya. Oke, nah kita sudah membaca cerita. Nah, okay, let's continue the next slide. This slide is taken from your student book, page 39, halaman 39. Anda point to the pictures in the story and make sentences. Nah, dari picture itu kita bisa membuat kalimat. Oke, nah sekarang kita cocokkan ya kalimatnya. Oke, the super friends are, kita tarik garis saja ya, are on the hill. Iya, mereka ada di mana? Ada di atas bukit. Alright. The driver is in the station. The driver-nya ada di mana? Ada di station. Oke. Is in the station. Terus the tree is on the track. Nah, tadi ada pohon di jalur keretanya. Oke. Terus flash dekat mana? Next to the train. Alright. Ini bisa ditarik garis di buku kalian masing-masing ya. The train is in the station. Alright. Nah, I'm sorry. Is in the station. Alright. Oke. Nah, kalian bisa tarik garis di buku kalian masing-masing. Dikerjakan di buku kalian masing-masing. Oke. Miss Tingina for meeting today. Jangan lupa grammar fokusnya disalin di buku tulis. Yang dikerjakan di student book tadi dikerjakan disalin semua ya. Jadi tidak hilang dan tidak lupa. Oke, thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.